Hi guys, so I'm going out for something. So I thought of doing a little get ready with me, a short IGTV video. And yeah, बहुत लेट हो रही हूँ तो इसलिए सीधा स्टार्ट करते हैं. Alright people, Namaste, welcome back to my IGTV. This is not a YouTube video, this is just a fun video. So I thought of filming a short video because I'm getting late and very late. So I am going to start straight up with the products. So firstly is this Lakmé 925cc cream. I'm not using foundation because इतनी एनर्जी नहीं है अभी मेरे अंदर ना कि मैं इतना सारा ताम झाम कर सकूं. Even I'm skipping the primer thing. So this is how much I have taken, and this is in the shade bronze. I'm going to review it later. And you know what, in most of the BB and CC creams, this is the one that suited me best. Like in my past 4 to 5 years, I have used it so much, at least 3 to 4 tubes of this, the whole tubes, because I used to do it, like I used to wear this even in the daily makeup and the occasional makeup, marriage makeup, everything with this one only. And you know what, I'm doing this with the front cam like this. My front cam is a lit. Yes. I will come back after blending this. After blending this, I have just applied a bit more around my eyes and a bit more around my mouth area and some to my forehead. You know, I always say just keep it light. The hand pressure on your face should be very light, because all of the blending thing should be done by your brush. And this is how you can test the quality of brush. If it is blending the things without pressure, only then it is good. If you're trying like this, ऐसे घिसना पड़ रहा है, then obviously you're not using a quality brush. Whew. I am done with my base. I'm not doing anything else. Then next I'm gonna use the powder, straight up powder. Okay, before powder I will use my NY Bae Stick. This is in the shade number 14. I will use this to cut my jawline. Just a bit to my nose. Just a bit, not much. And again we will blend this up, and for that I'm using this spoon brush. If you remember, like before, back in 4 to 5 years back, this was a rave. This actually does the job really quick. And the thumb rule is, when it is jawline, the blending should be downwards. When it is your cheeks, blending should be upwards. Cool. Everything is blended and you can see a bronze glow to my face. Good to have that. I like that. Next is the powder. For the powder, I will use my Fit Me Loose powder. This is in the shade number 30. Just dipping it a little bit, dusting it off. It is a lot. You know what, this Fit Me powder is a little pigmented, so even if you have not applied any kind of base, this gives you a really nice polished light coverage thing to your face. Like whenever I get ready for my office, I usually do not apply base. I directly go with this powder over my moisturizer. So this gives a really nice polished look without giving too much cake up look. But I don't know why people rave about this for keeping the oil back, because for me this doesn't work for that thing. Right, okay, I am not doing much to my eyes. I am simply going with the liner, and for the liner I will use my sugar liner, gel liner, and will create a nice wing. जिसमें मैं बहुत अच्छी हूँ. Should I apply the kajal or not apply the kajal? I will apply the kajal. वैसे भी मास्क में लिपस्टिक तो दिखती नहीं है, eyes ही दिखती है. Yes, for the kajal I will use the same liner. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna repeat the same thing to my second eye. I am going to smoke this lower lash line a bit so that it stays in place and don't go here and there. So I'm taking some eyeshadow to my finger and I'm going to apply this, and you see how I do it. You know what, why I'm doing this with fingers, because I cannot find my brush for this, but yeah, you can do the same thing. And now I'm going to intensify the kajal. Now next is this is the Swiss Beauty eyebrow kit, and if you are following me, then you must know I like to overdo my eyebrows. Like, it is still looking good, these are my natural eyebrows, but still I like to overdo my eyebrows. So I'm using, I'll be real quick here. Now I am almost done. The only thing left is mascara, blush and lipstick. Now firstly I will apply the lipstick, only after that I will apply the blush. So for the lipstick I'm going to mix these two lipsticks. This is from Inside, this is the Red Room, very pretty shade, dark shade, and then I'm going to top that off with this darling Isabella in the shade, what shade it is, Smooth Caramel 18. So yes, this will gonna give me a perfect shade for this outfit and look going on. Whew, this shade itself looking so pretty, but I'm gonna mix another one with this one because this is a little kind of, if I'm going for a party makeup, but it is not. So I want to make it a little simple and easy going look. बस नीचे ना लहंगा पहनना है मैं रेडी हो जाऊंगी. So here you can see I have just tamed down the liquid lipstick with this one and made it a little peachy, a little easygoing. And to match this lipstick, I will use my normal SFR pink blush. This is actually a really nice brown pink blush, not pink blush. And I need to see how much I'm applying because usually I go overboard with the blushes because I like applying blushes. And in the winter time, I generally don't apply too much bronzers because ऐसे भी तो मास्क में कुछ भी नहीं दिख रहा यार. It doesn't mean कि आप ऐसे ही चले जाओ. Now I'm gonna curl my lashes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo. Woo. For the mascara, I'm using Bella Voste mascara. It is almost broken and out of quantity. Mascara is also done and finally I am ready to go. बस ऐसे ही मन कर रहा है हाइलाइटर लगा लें थोड़ा सा, सामने रखा हुआ है तो थोड़ा सा because already I have oily skin. Well, I was not happy with the hairstyle I was having. I have just tied them up because I thought of I have greasy second day hairs, but somehow they are now looking really bouncy and good. And if you want to know how I got this hairs look, I will tell you in another video. Right now I'm making the look a little cozy. So I'll be having cap because there is literally hell lot of thandi in Delhi. So I'm gonna use my cap. Ooh. So finally I am ready for my thing to go. And I want you to guess where I'm going. Till then, bye.